Hi, good day to all of you. This is Engineer Politician de Rivera presenting for the Philippine Aviation Research and Conference 2023. I will be presenting on behalf of my co-presenter, Dr. Noel R. Navigar and Dr. Leo Mendel de Rosario, the research entitled Modeling a Research and Innovation Ecosystem of Philippine Civil Aviation Organizations Using the Network Analysis. So, For the abstract, aviation industry organizations must innovate quickly to satisfy the consumer demand in such a competitive environment. However, as of date, there is no existing strategy for research collaborations among Philippine civil aviation organizations. A proposal of strategic tool to map, analyze, and design the innovation ecosystem is the output of this paper. The informant interviews, or KIIs, were conducted among the 30 Philippine civil aviation ecosystem representatives, comprising of 13 approved maintenance organization AMOs, 9 ATOs, 7 aircraft operators, and 1 regulatory body, which is the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, or the CAAP, as a integrator of the ecosystem. Initial findings show that there are a total of 146 possible research collaboration matchings in 12 research areas. The results of the study were presented through a social network analyzed innovation ecosystem model coined as the Research and Innovation Ecosystem Model among Philippine civil aviation organizations. The civil aviation sector needs to maintain its capability for technical innovation to meet the challenges and take advantage of the opportunities. The Philippine civil aviation industry has been engaged in the research and innovation since the late 1930s. However, the country still has a long way to go before it can catch up to the research cultures of its neighboring countries. Fostering collaborations between the academia and industry, and often supported by a government intervention, is essential in improving local, regional, and national innovation systems and promoting the economic development. An innovation ecosystem framework was built on feedback from interviews with representatives of civil aviation ecosystem members. So the study's results support the premise that in order to foster an innovation, aviation research policy should encourage the idea that every civil aviation organization can continue to excel across several subfields. The aviation sector requires a research strategy to enable the consolidation of the dispersed skills and knowledge in each area into a unified platform. For our research gap, there is no existing strategy for research collaborations among Philippine civil aviation organizations. The research collaborations may assess the degree of the development, gaps, and hurdles to the aviation industry's sustainable growth and propose suggestions for removing these kinds of barriers. And our research objective is that the objective of the study is to promote the research and innovation collaboration among the members of the Philippine civil aviation ecosystem through a visual strategy tool coined as the Research and Innovation Ecosystem Model among Philippine civil aviation organizations. And for the methodology, so the research employed is a qualitative research method, and content analysis and thematic analysis were employed to quantify the qualitative information of the research data. The social network analysis tool was utilized to formulate the proposed model for the research and innovation ecosystem of the Philippine civil aviation organizations. Referring to this research paradigm, we have here the topmost part, which reflects the analysis from the Philippine Civil Aviation Regulation document review. So, document review of the PARC and also the different documents in the CAAP library were conducted to determine the members of the Philippine civil aviation ecosystem. Afterwards, key informant interviews were employed in the study to serve as a research tool to collect data on the research needs and research capabilities from the representative of the participant of the study, the identified segments of the Philippine civil aviation ecosystem. Then, after the data collection, content analysis was used to quantify the qualitative information from the research data, and also to match the research need of a particular organization to the appropriate research capability of another organization. So the generated research collaboration matchings are then translated into a possible research collaborations. So the last step employed in the study is the social network analysis approach. So this social network analysis was used to formulate a framework model for research collaborations. So this type of method examines the relationship among entities such as civil aviation organizations. So finally, after all the data analysis, a proposed research innovation ecosystem model among Philippine Civil Aviation Organization was presented as the final research output. So these are the different participants of the study. So purpose of sampling from the civil aviation ecosystem members was performed and 13 organizations were selected for AMOs, 9 for ATOs, 7 for AOs, and this selection was decided about the ratio of the actual based on the document review. So the management and staff point of view of this selected organization were gathered relative to their respective organization research needs and also the research capabilities. So here we have here results and discussions for the research and innovation collaboration matchings among the Philippine Civil Aviation Organizations. So based on the conducted content analysis, the 5 most numbered potential research collaboration matchings include human resources and management, quality and safety management, process improvement, operational advancement, and capacity planning, most of which refers to the development or improvement of the management system of an organization. So moreover, other Philippine Civil Aviation research collaboration matchings include funding, training needs, competency development, regulatory compliance, environment sustainability, aircraft parts innovations, and business strategy. As you can see here in the table, the objectives and significance of the study are already realized since the research outlines valid aviation research concerns at the current times. Conducting any outline studies will ignite research collaborations that will benefit all involved civil aviation ecosystem members at once. Next. So this is the proposed model for the research and innovation ecosystem of Philippine Civil Aviation Organization, brought a dynamic 146 potential research collaborations of 30 ecosystem actors from different aviation segments. So this ecosystem geography includes the most vibrant part of the innovation ecosystem, as you can see here in the center, the CAAP. So the CAAP act as the center or the ecosystem integrator and the regulatory body of the Philippine Civil Aviation Organizations. So as you can see here in the framework, it shows that there are solid and dynamic network relationship among the ecosystem actors. So very complex po yung connections natin. So this process provides insights to promote research collaborations and technology transfer and have an research and development subcontracting affiliation among the ecosystem actors. So, ano po ba yun? So, such as connecting an appropriate approved training organization segment to an actor in a AMO, approved maintenance organization. So, itong mga inter-organizational network ecosystem natin can be used to examine an innovation system landscape and understand the complex dynamic relationship between the ecosystem actors. So basically, this study introduces a new research concept of innovation ecosystem among the Philippine Civil Aviation Organization and distills corresponding recommendation to progress the proposed model framework based on the visual representation of the network analysis. So this network analysis or this social network analysis is supported with the with this outline po, Next. With this outline, with this model framework outline. So here in this tabulated information, we have here a research area. So these are the research collaborations, matchings, and we have here a organization in need and organization with research capability. We can use the model framework, the social network analyze framework, through the help of this particular outline. No? So through using of this framework and uses of outline, so the significance of the study and the purpose of the study are realized. No? So these are the references used to conduct the research study. And thank you for your time and thank you for listening with regards to our research presentation. Again, on behalf of Dr. Noel Navigar and on behalf of Dr. Leo Mendel Di Rosario, once again, this is Engineer Paul Christian T. De Vera presenting the research modeling a research and innovation ecosystem using a network among Philippine civil aviation organizations using a network analysis. So thank you again.